How to fix this item was encoded in a format that's not supported. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix if there is a video or any file that is encoded in a format that is not supported. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing that you want to do is find the video that you're having problem with. So here I have a video on my desktop, and if you try to open it and it's not opening, then what you want to do is first get the VLC media player on your laptop. If you don't have it, you just go ahead and click on your web browser and just search for VLC download. Once you do that, you should be able to download the VLC media player and go ahead and click on any of these links and then download the installation file and install the VLC media player. After doing that, what you want to do is right click on the video, click on properties, and from here head over to the general tab and change this right here. Opens with, right now it's on media player. Just go ahead and change it to VLC media player and tap on set as default. And once you do that, click on OK and apply. And once you double click on it, it will directly open in VLC media player and it should start playing. So that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.